President, Excellencies, distinguished delegates, representatives of civil society and non-governmental organizations, ladies and gentlemen, I am honored to address the 55 session of the Human Rights Council. At the outset, allow me to start by conveying greetings from the people and government of United Republic of Tanzania and salutations from Her Excellency Dr. Samia Suluhu Hassan, President of the United Republic of Tanzania, who extends her regards and wishes to all a successful session. My delegation also congratulates Mr. Omar Znaiber for his election as President of the 18th cycle of the Council, as well as other members of the Bureau. United Republic of Tanzania assures you support and cooperation as you lead the work of this important body. Her Excellency, the President of United Republic of Tanzania, is a strong proponent of the rule of law, good governance, and respect for human rights, and has focused on 4 good governance pillars of the 4 R's, which are reconciliation, resilience, reform, rebuilding. Implementation of these pillars leads to peaceful outcome and a conducive environment for the realization of human rights. In this regard, we underscore the role that Human Rights Council can play in achieving the 4 R's to maintain peace, stability, and security. Mr. President, the fundamental right of freedom of expression and the right to information continue to be upheld with vital, flourishing democracy. In this regard, the government of United Republic of Tanzania continues to ensure that media pluralism prospers. As of today, there are more than 200 radio stations, more than 60 television stations, 390 online TVs, 73 blogs, and 300 newspapers and magazines in the United Republic of Tanzania. This number should be expected to rise. Access to justice is also key to maintain peace and stability. The government has prioritized raising legal awareness on Constitution, human rights, and relationship between rights and duties, as well as civil and criminal justice system through a national campaign in Tanzania mainland and Zanzibar known as Mama Samia Legal Aid Campaign, named after Her Excellency, our President, Dr. Samia Suluhu Hassan, in consideration of her call for justice for all without discrimination. The campaign is a homegrown initiative aimed at addressing the pertaining needs and concerns throughout the country. It implements the Legal Aid Act of 2017 in Tanzania mainland and Legal Aid Act 2018 in Zanzibar, and is administered through local governance structures and reaches people at grassroots levels in remote areas. The government is standing by its commitment to accelerate and advance women's economic empowerment through co-leading the Generation Equality Forum Action Coalition on Economic Justice and Rights. The country has made great progress towards advancing gender equality in leadership and decision-making at all levels, with more women being appointed to lead key positions. At the highest level, the President currently is a woman, Her Excellency Dr. Samia Suluhu Hassan. The Speaker and the Clerk of the National Assembly in Tanzania, United Republic of Tanzania, are women. Chief Secretary in Zanzibar is a woman as well, and 35% of ministers are women. Also, the percentage of women parliamentarians is 37%. And the number of women judges has risen to 5 in Zanzibar. That is from 40% to 60%. Mr. President, talking of economic, social, and cultural rights are also given equal importance. Great strides have been made in enhancing access to water, with 72.3% coverage in rural areas and 86% coverage in urban areas. The United Republic of Tanzania recognizes the right of everyone to an adequate standard of living for himself and his family, including adequate food, clothing, and housing, and to the continuous improvement of living conditions. In this regard, I would like to take this opportunity, Mr. President, to assure member states and human rights advocates that the government of United Republic of Tanzania is exercising a voluntary relocation of people living in Ngorongoro Conservation Area with the objective of ensuring that all people concerned get equal opportunities to enjoy the rights I have just mentioned. And that is why the government has always been transparent with the international community on the challenges in the Ngorongoro Conservation Area. That is why we hosted a mission visit by the African Commission on Human and People's Rights in 2023 and a UNESCO advisory mission this year to Ngorongoro Conservation Area. Also, the United Nations Independent Expert on the Right of Indigenous People is scheduled to undertake a mission visit to the Ngorongoro Conservation Area this year. We therefore refute all allegations of forced eviction of the local communities residing in the Ngorongoro Conservation Area, as has previously been alleged in this forum. In conclusion, the United Republic of Tanzania reaffirms its commitment to the promotion and protection of human rights for all its people. We shall also continue to cooperate with the Human Rights Council and its mechanism and meet our obligations under the human rights treaties we have ratified, as we remain allied, associated to the spirit and mandate of the noble work of the Human Rights Council. Mr. President, I thank you very much for your attention.